Alright, it's shawnshawn here, about ready to do a, I don't know what to call it, maybe artist tip of the day. So I'm going to try out this product review. I'm going to check out this, which I traditionally use for my palette, versus this glass. It's from Posh New Wave, so we'll see what it's like. Right off the bat, I would just say I kind of don't like the thinness. If you look at the thinness, it's really thin. Let me show you another thing. My friend actually has this from polyurethane, so it's really nice, which is, I don't remember where he said he got it, but you can see it's like literally a finger thick. Let's see here. I can't get the angle right. But anyway, it's about a finger thick, so it's a lot solider. So this other glass is kind of okay, but I'm having my doubts as far as, moving it back and forth and setting up a studio up and down. If you have like a set studio, it's fine, but if you're gonna move this all around all the time, like I have to break down and set up my studio each time. That might not be the best thing, but I think it's gonna be really cool. We'll see. All right, so I spread all my colors I'm gonna use like a kind of a limited palette. You can make most of them anyway out of yellow, red, and blue and white. Obviously, I'll have to add black in there, but we'll see how it goes. I'm very optimistic because I've seen everyone's really said a lot of good things about this, so hopefully it's good, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Hey, I'm back again. I'm just letting you know on my opinion of the clear plastic, or maybe it's glass. It's a really nice surface to work on, easy to clean up. You can just scrape it with a palette knife with water, or you can get a razor, it scrapes supposedly easier. As far as this brand, it's good, but it was, again, the thickness is kind of less than ideal if you're kind of continually setting up and breaking down your studio. If you just set up once and have it on a flat surface, it's fine. But yeah, you have to be a little careful, so I'd ding it a little bit, give it a 4 out of 5 stars. All right, give me a thumbs up if you like this artist tip, this product review. Subscribe below, and let me know if you guys paint on glass or the traditional wood easel, or is it palette? Palette. All right, thanks guys.